this is. Sorry, I felt like doing one of those cringy YouTube intros. I will never do that again. Right, today we've just finished immigration, if you saw the last video, and now we're going to get some nice Thai food. And yeah, we're heading back to Bangkok Central, find some nice places to eat. I'm going to be absolutely boiling because I'm wearing trousers, because you're supposed to wear trousers when you go to the immigration place. So it's going to be a really hot day for me today. But man, excited. Let's go get some Thai food. Woke up so early this morning, so yeah, I'm very excited. We're going to Koreatown, which is an amazing little town. So noisy in Bangkok. This is a little town, it's kind of like Chinatown, but for Koreans. A lot smaller than Chinatown, but you get the most amazing food up here. I'll drop a little map so you know how to get here. It's kind of near Nana or Sukhumvit on the BTS stops. Here we go. Welcome to Koreatown. Got some K-pop playing. Get everything over here. I'm going to get copyright from this. We're after a Korean barbecue. That's what we want.
So should we just...
Let's have a look about, see what we want. It looks like everything's opening. Kind of early, isn't it? It's 11...
just open.
Yeah.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock at the moment. Yeah, let's have a little look. Oh, look how cool it looks in here, man. Oh, hello, mate. Oh, no, scared of me. Little cat there. So this is really cool. They have like, you cook your own food in the centre of the table. It's not a buffet. We want a buffet, which means you just get unlimited meat, unlimited everything.
I already contacted one of them, but I
think we know where we want to go. Oh, it's a little cat again. Hello, sausage. Yeah, no, he's got a little crazy collar on.
300 same price.
300 for a buffet, that's not too bad.
For one person.
Nice. So you can just get unlimited of everything there.
Yes.
It's pretty cool. Do they have the chimney? Oh yeah, there we go, $2.99.
They don't have chimney.
Oh yeah, you need a chimney. Maybe the other one. We're good. Going for this one.
So it's the one that I already contacted.
Yeah, cool. Right at the end? Yeah.
What I'm worried is about my hair smell of the buffet.
Should be alright. What we got? Fried chicken. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm having some of that.
So we're gonna do the barbecue anyway, so.
Egg omelette, that looks good.
I want that.
Spaghetti bacon. Oh, that looks spicy. Look at those chilies. Seasoned pork with veg. Looks pretty good. Kimchi fried rice. Oh,
that's my favorite.
that's what we want.
We have that fried rice with this.
That smells really nice. That
Yeah,
one.
have it together.
Fried pork. Oh.
I like
Okay.
Korean food.
Korean food's awesome, man. This is. Oh, you just come up and get the meat yourself.
Yeah, and then you cook it by yourself at your
Okay.
table.
So there's like everything's pork here. So pork chops.
Look at that.
That looks so good. Bacon, got a pork belly, really thick cuts. Yeah, you get a plate full of that. I'm gonna check out the rest. Yeah, so yeah, you get some stuff. Oh, for 300 baht you get an hour and a half here to just eat as much as you want. Kimchi stew. Oh, I love kimchi. Seaweed soup. Stir braised spicy rice cake. Don't know what that is. Fried squid. Pancake seafood. Mate, there's a lot of stuff here. Stir-fried pork. Glass noodles, they're really good. Got to try glass noodles. Stir-fried kimchi, I think we've seen that before. Homemade pork cutlet. Oh, mate, I'm going to try all of this. Stir-fried squid, and finally pumpkin porridge. I don't think I'm going to try that. Right, just going to grab some stuff, then we'll sit down. Got some beautiful sauces. I picked up a few of these. Oh, let's try one of these. This is fried pork, I think. Oh, really good. Oh, really nice flavour on that. Okay, I'm going to start off with a bit of pork belly. Look how thick this meat is. Oh, actually, I want a bit with more fat for my first bit. Look at that. And then just stick it on here. Hey, look at that. And this is kimchi. This stuff's amazing. Also have a good selection of sushi here as well, which is quite cool. Oh, there's a cat in here. Hey, hello, mate. Chup, chup. No, it's a different one. Different cat. Right, this is the best restaurant in the world now. Right, let's go for a flip. Oh, good one sat with the sauce on it. Mate, the quality of meat you get here for 300 baht, it's amazing. It's only 300 baht Sunday to Friday, and before 3 p.m. After that, it's a little bit more expensive. How much?
160 baht.
360.
Yeah, 359 baht.
So it's only 60 baht more when it's out of that time. Still a good deal. That looks good. Yeah, proper metal. Right, I think the pork's done. Oh, can you pass with the scissors? I think this is how Koreans do it. They just cut it off, sorry. Too much fat. That feels weird. Okay.
Normally you cut it in your hand.
I'll cut it on there. Right, so I'm going to take a bit of pork. Lovely bit of fat on there. Dip it in one of these sauces. I don't know what one's what. It's going to be spicy though. Oh. That sauce is so good. Whoa, that's spicy. Really spicy, but really good. Oh, not too bad. Do you want to try? Yeah, try it. Try that sauce there. This beautiful meat. This is going to be boiling straight off. I'll let that sit for a little bit first. Let's try one of these other sauces. I haven't tried that one yet. Proper soak it in. Oh god, that's a lot. Oh, that one's not spicy. That's good flavour though. This is amazing. You think you spend more than 300 baht on a Big Mac meal, or you can spend 300 baht, come here and just eat unlimited amounts of meat, vegetables, everything. It's amazing.
It's gonna show you how to eat like Korean people.
Good's gonna show us how to eat like Korean people.
I see.
Oh, you wrap it up?
Yeah, I see them do it like that, and then they put it in your mouth. Maybe it's
Do you put sauce on it or anything?
Actually, I want some.
Yeah, put some sauce on.
You want this one?
It's nice, that one. It's not spicy, that one. Oh, they look really good.
I think Korean people just use chopsticks, but I can't, sorry.
It's like a little lettuce blanket.
Yeah. Like that. Boop, boop. Then eat. I'm gonna look bad in the camera.
Oh, look alright. I'll go like that. I'll put my hand away, let it go. Was it good?
Cool.
Good? Yeah, nice.
Got that for free?
Hey. Oh. I'm never eating again. I've got like the meat sweats at the moment. Oh god. Got salon here. You can pretty much do everything around here. I think they've got a little 7-Eleven, alcohol shop, and food. That's all you need. And a haircut. There is an upstairs though. Should we go have a look at the upstairs section? Sun's coming out and all now. Here we go. Hear the K-pop again. Oh yeah. I think my sister, like, oh God, for God's sake, I'm so concentrating on dancing. I think my older sister's really into K-pop, or J-pop, K-pop.
K-pop is correct.
So I think she'd love it down here. Oh, I've never been up here. What's up here? I don't want to see any more food ever again in my life. Oh, this looks a bit more. Yeah, is it more restaurants? You want a nice dessert or something, didn't you?
But it's like Korean community here.
Yeah. Bum bum. Karaoke? Oh no, that's kabore. I'm not the best at reading or writing. Maybe this gets a bit more lively at night. Oh, there's more floors, Gib. They're apartments. Could be. Korean beer. It's like a little Korean bar, I think. Oh, you can see the K-pop. You don't know who they are?
It's like new generation.
New generation.
Now, old K-pop, like, what's that? Girl generation, Super Junior.
I know. I'm so old. When I think of girl bands, I think of like Spice Girls and S Club 7. So, you know S Club 7?
No.
S Club 7. Don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. I think that might not have been S Club 7. Right, this is the right one, yeah? Oh, unfortunately, the other thing that Gib wanted was this really nice Korean dessert. They do look amazing.
The ice cream.
Yeah, they're made from shaved ice, but it's closed at the moment. So if we're back in this area later, we'll pop in, but we'll see. Right, okay. On to the next area.